Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Sora Oracle token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Sora Oracle delivers AI-powered permissionless resolution with S402 micropayments on BNB chain. V5.0 features HTTP 402 payments, 10x parallel setup and self-expanding research agents for real-time prediction markets. Sora Oracle shifts from passive data pipes to active evolving intelligence. Their autonomous AI agents discover source dynamically, synthesizes multimodal data and adapt to understand events evolving the system iteratively without relying on single entity. Autonomous AI agent empowered by S402 micropayments deliver resolution with human surpassing diligence and speed. A self-expanding network where permissionless invites global contributions to redefine the system iteratively. Sora Oracle token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supplies around 94 million. Sora token is listed on Lbank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.